First impressions matter, especially when it comes to your home. Whether you're welcoming guests, planning to sell, or simply taking pride in your property, curb appeal plays a major role in how your home is perceived. In Loves Park, where neighborhoods feature a mix of classic and modern styles, updated windows can dramatically transform a home's exterior. Replacement windows are more than just an energy upgrade. They're one of the most noticeable improvements you can make to boost curb appeal and elevate the overall look of your property. A fresh, updated appearance. Old or worn windows can make an otherwise well-maintained home look dated. Faded frames, peeling paint, warped materials, or outdated grid patterns often draw the wrong kind of attention. New replacement windows instantly refresh your home's exterior. Clean lines, modern finishes, and updated designs create a polished appearance that makes your property stand out in the best way. Even subtle changes, like switching to slimmer frames or contemporary grid styles, can modernize your home's facade. In Loves Park neighborhoods, where homes reflect pride of ownership, upgraded windows help ensure your property looks its best year-round. Custom styles to match your home. One of the biggest advantages of replacement windows is the variety of styles available. Whether your Loves Park home is traditional, ranch style, colonial, or contemporary, there are window designs that complement its architecture. You can choose from double-hung, casement, picture, bay, or specialty-shaped windows to create a cohesive look. Frame colors and finishes can also be customized to coordinate with siding, brick, or trim. This level of personalization allows you to enhance your home's character while maintaining architectural harmony. Improved symmetry and design balance. Window placement and style significantly influence your home's visual balance. Replacing mismatched or outdated windows creates a more symmetrical and streamlined appearance. For example, upgrading to larger picture windows can create a bold focal point. Adding decorative grids can enhance traditional charm. Choosing consistent frame colors across all windows ties the exterior together. Small design decisions can make a big difference in how balanced and inviting your home looks from the street. Increased natural light for exterior impact. Replacement windows don't just improve the interior, they can also enhance how your home appears from outside. Larger glass areas and cleaner frames allow more natural light to shine through, giving your home a bright, welcoming feel. At night, well-lit interiors visible through updated windows create a warm, inviting glow that adds to overall curb appeal. Energy efficiency that adds value. While curb appeal focuses on appearance, buyers in Loves Park also value performance. Modern replacement windows are designed with energy-efficient features such as double-pane glass, insulated frames, and low-E coatings. These upgrades signal that your home is well-maintained and energy-conscious. Even if you're not planning to sell, improved energy efficiency adds long-term value and appeal. A home that looks beautiful and performs efficiently stands out in any neighborhood. Boosting property value and buyer interest. If you're considering selling your home in the future, replacement windows can be a strong selling point. Buyers often notice windows immediately, both inside and out. New windows reduce concerns about future maintenance, repairs, and energy costs. This can increase buyer confidence and potentially lead to stronger offers. Even if you're staying put, investing in replacement windows enhances pride of ownership and ensures your home continues to look modern and well cared for. Long-lasting beauty with minimal maintenance. Today's replacement windows are built from durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and composite that resist fading, warping, and peeling. This means your home maintains its improved appearance with minimal upkeep. For Loves Park homeowners who want lasting curb appeal without constant maintenance, modern windows provide a practical and stylish solution. A smart upgrade for Loves Park homes. Your windows frame your home, literally and visually. By upgrading to high-quality replacement windows, you're not only improving comfort and efficiency but also enhancing the beauty and value of your property. In Loves Park, where first impressions count, Replacement windows offer a simple yet powerful way to elevate your home's curb appeal and create a look you'll be proud of for years to come.